For the binary search tree, in-order traversal specify the nodes in non-descending order, which is ascending order. In order to obtain nodes from binary search tree in non-increasing order, a variation of in-order traversal may be used, where in-order traversal is reversed. Pre-order traversal will create a copy of the tree. Pre-order traversal is also used to get the prefix expression of an expression. Post-order traverse is used to get the postfix expression of an expression given. Okay, here I have tried to create three different binary search tree, which are in-order, pre-order, and post-order. What actually happens in order is that it traverses the left subtree. Then it visits and prints the root node. Then it traverses the right subtree. And what happens in the pre-order is that it visits and print the nodes, and then it traverses the left subtree, and then it traverses the right subtree. On the post-order, it traverses the left subtree first, then it traverses the right subtree, then it visits and print the node, which actually these three lines is telling us where this data comes here. And pre-order it comes first, in order it comes second, and on the post order it comes at the end. So here I have created a random element that is a set of 25 elements, and I have them managed in order, pre-order, and post-order binary search tree. Let me run the program. exe. Okay, maybe make it fast. exe. So here is my output according to three of these functions: in order, post order, pre-order, and post order.